Hi, this is Valerie with At My Home, and today we're going to take a first look at the SELFCARE1. Now this is a new health and beauty device that you can use to make your own serums at home. And it's pretty cool, and they sent us this device to review. So what we've got here is we've got the machine, the SELFCARE1, that makes the magic. This is a cartridge that has 8 different essential oils. And this is a little bit of vegetable oil in case you need to mix it. And these are little glass containers that you use to actually collect the serum down here so you can use it. And it comes with everything you need to get started, and you pair it with an app and you can customize it to create different solutions for things like headaches or indigestion or mood or things like that, or to boost your immunity. So it's really cool. I'm really looking forward to trying it out, and we'll come back and do a full review. Thank you.